Hello guys, this is me, ARKIdose. So for today, ang topic natin is Know Your Paint, kay ARKIdose. So it's all about the types of paint and paint finishes. So let's start. So, Know Your Paint by ARKIdose. Paint finishes. Limang type siya ng finishes. The flat, the eggshell, and the satin, semi-gloss, and high gloss. Okay? Ito yung paint finishes na how much light reflects dun sa painted surface o dun sa surface o sa wall na magre-result into gloss. Okay? Matting cad. Yun, ganun. So, depende sa gusto nyo, preference nyo, kung anong klaseng paint finishes yung gagawin nyo sa mga walls nyo. Okay. Wood. Pag ang ginamit mo naman sealer dun sa wood, gagamit ka naman ng wood stain paint after ng sealer. Then, kapag primer, gagamit ka ng enamel. So, magkukulay ka dun sa wood. Pag sealer lang at wood stain, gusto mo lang as is yung itsura nung mismong wood. Kung anong itsura niya, ganun lang. Kung ano yung mismong natural texture, natural na itsura niya, gagamit ka ng sealer at saka wood stain paint. Pag gusto mo naman patungan ng kulay na iba, like mga color blue, ganyan, gamit ka muna ng primer tsaka enamel. So, pag concrete naman, ang gagamitin mo naman una is the concrete neutralizer bago mag-primer. So, para sa floor, epoxy enamel. Okay? Itatakal natin kung anong klase, anong type siya ng paint. And then, pag sa wall, latex o latex. Pag metal naman, primer muna, tapos epoxy, o kaya red oxide, mamili ka doon, and enamel. Tsaka mag-enamel. So, type of paint na tayo. So, latex paint, ito naman yung for concrete walls. Okay? Ito naman is water-based paint. Okay? Yung solvent is yung water. The solvent ng paint is water. Ito yung ginagamit for painting sa concrete and masonry surfaces. Masonry. Okay. So, next naman is yung acrylic latex. Okay? Acrylic. So, for wood and concrete. Ito naman, ina-advertise siya as 100 acrylic latex paint, kagaya na nasa picture. And water-based paint naman siya. And ito yung kinoconsider na highest quality ng latex paint. Okay? Pinaka mataas yung kalidad. So, next naman is na epoxy enamel. So, ito ginagamit sa concrete floors. Okay? Lalo na yung mga hindi nagpapa-viniled or hindi nagpapa-tiles. So, pwede kang gumamit ng epoxy enamel sa floor na concrete. Madalas, ang ano naman dyan, ito naman may two component. Solvent-based na polyamide epoxy paint. Ito ay pinaka excellent sa chemical naman. Solvent and stain-resistant ideal. So, for concrete floors and structural steel surfaces indoors. Okay? Indoors. So, Next is the red oxide, yung kanina natin binanggit na red oxide after ng primer sa metal. For steel to prevent rust, para hindi daw mga lawang. So, ito yung protective paint. Kaya madalas minsan may nakikita ko yung mga steel bars na merong red paint. Minsan, yung red oxide. Okay? Para hindi mga lawang. Ito naman, two protective paints for ferrous metal. And may two types siya. Yung priming paint na red lead and litharge and lead chromate. Yung isa naman is finish paint na lead sulfate and zinc dust. Okay? And next naman, epoxy primer tayo. Isang klase din siya na nagpe-prevent ng mga lawang yung bakal. Isa to din sa nakita ko noon sa construction, ginagamit din siya. Color gray siya madalas na pinapahid sa bakal bago pinturahan ng pinaka-finish paint niya. Right. Pag epoxy primer naman, ito yung sealer na produces a good surface finish. Parang makinis, gano'n. A good surface finish on applied top coats, okay? A two-part epoxy primer contains zinc phosphate, which act as the corrosion inhibiting, okay? Paint. Epoxy primer naman can be used to waterproof materials, okay? That consequently protect the bare metals from oxidation, okay? So, pag enamel naman, ito yung ginagamit naman for wood. Yung kagaya ng binanggit ko kanina dun sa unang picture na wood. And ito naman, paints which use varnish as ink. They have the ability of leveling brush marks. Okay? Ito yung pwede maging glossy, semi-glossy, or matte finish, yung enamel. Kaya kanina yung type of paint finishes. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung klaseng gusto nyo na finish, paint finish, kung glossy o semi-glossy or matte finish. So, nasa enamel yun. So, doon naman tayo next sa type of wall finish. Okay. If plain, ang paint coverage per gallon niya is 25 square meter to 30 square meter. So, next naman, coarse to rough, kapag yung wooden trowel yung finish, is ang coverage niya per gallon is 30 square meter. So, pag yung fine to coarse naman, mali ang spelling ko, no? Fine to coarse. Okay. Pag fine to coarse naman is 35 square meters. Okay. 35 square meter. So, next naman, yung smooth to fine o yung puti, finish. Yung puti na nilalagay sa wall. Pag yun naman, pag paint coverage naman niya per gallon is 40 square meters. Okay. And that's it. And thank you guys. And sana makatulong. And God bless. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng aking new videos. Okay? And thank you.